So today's tip is very simple but very effective is before you go about actually executing a trade, have a trading plan. And the best time you could actually do this is outside market hours. So I would recommend if you were to build a trading plan, do it after market or on the weekends. And the reason for that is you are not clouded in taking an irrational decision. So you just can't go in and like buy right now. And that's helpful because by actually not being involved or focused into what's happening right now in the market or being into the moment but seeing like one stock go up and one stock go down, it's not going to make you take irrational decisions. So like by actually building a plan after market hours or on the weekends, you can then strategize and say, I just want to buy these two trades today. But when you're writing down your plan, also write down the reasons why you decided to do so. And if you have a trading plan, in the sense that this is the trading rules to the plan. So if you want to know that I will only buy if this is a top gainer in a particular sector, I only will buy if it's close to the 50 period moving average or the 20 period moving average. So once you have your rules in place, and then you can apply those rules to your plan, and then you write those reasons there and then select, okay, I'm going to buy 3 tomorrow morning if it meets these conditions, and or I'll buy 3 in the weekly time frame on Monday or Tuesday if it meets this condition. So I hope that is useful to you. Always have a plan, and in that way you will actually have a reason why you entered the trade. And if it doesn't work out too, write down what the reasons were, why it didn't work out, and how you could make a difference in your next trade. So I hope this was useful, and please do let me know if this is something that you're trying right now in your trading journey, and how helpful has it been to you as well.